blow up.
And on our one free evening.
They said they have no tickets millions too.
Do you think there's a connection?
Quick! In the house!
What are they?
I want to find out. God, it's locked.
Quick, they're getting closer!
Hey guys, you have to hold it. It's broken. But it's too heavy. I can't do it by myself. Well, find someone else to help you then.
You guys keep it down!
There isn't anybody. Why can't you help? Oh, be
What's
quiet,
going on?
honey. See, I'm texting. Somebody help me! No!
Okay, look guys, we have to try and put our personal conflicts aside and work together, okay? Mara, I'm really sorry that you had to go through this, but we don't have time to discuss this right now, okay? So everyone, back in your places and let's finish this show!
People of English Theater Berlin, this is an emergency warning. At this moment, the theater is being threatened by an alien invasion. Please stay where you are and keep calm. Don't...